Good morning! It's time for school. It's time for school. Ruhi loves going to school. Ruhi gets ready for another exciting school day. Before going to school, Ruhi makes sure she has everything she needs.
Bye-bye! It's time to go to school! Good morning, friends! Good morning! Ready for school? Yeah, let's go!
Everyone is ready for school. Oh no! Oh no! Jugsu is late and forgot his notebook. At school, we need to follow the rules. We wear our school uniform and bring the things we need. Pack your backpack. Prepare your uniform. Set your alarm. And go to bed on time. Great job, Ruhi! Everything is ready.
When we prepare ahead of time, we can arrive at school on time and feel happy. Good morning, everyone!
Good morning, Ruhi.
Arriving on time makes us feel happy.
Now it's time for our lesson. Now it's time for our lesson.
Friends help each other. Let me help you with this part. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ruhi. Let's clean this up.
We should always clean up after ourselves.
Don't worry, Daisha. I'll share my lunch with you.
You don't have to be alone. Come and be our friend. Everyone can create something special. Wow, look at all of your beautiful drawings.
Wow! It's time to play outside. Yeah!
When a friend needs help, we should always be kind and caring. Let's solve some easy math problems. Let's solve some easy math problems. Easy math problems. School is over for today.
Goodbye, teacher. See you tomorrow. That was a really fun day at school. I can't wait to play.
Tomorrow, everyone will tell us about their favorite hobby.
Wow! My favorite hobby is football. Yeah! Yeah! I love drawing. I love cars. I love drawing and being creative. Wow!
Being prepared, helping friends, sharing, learning, and enjoying our hobbies makes school a wonderful place.